Hello, Tyson. Okay, I have your Golgo 13. This is model SBPA001. It's one of the e-ink solars. And these apparently had an issue with not being super durable as a rechargeable, and then Seiko not really working on these. So you sent this to me and said, well, let's see if you can fix it. And if not, oh well, that's the end of it. But I'm going to see. I wasn't sure how to open these things up, but I see, looking at this, it has a back plate here, which I'm sure just is a friction fit that just pops out. And I noticed that it actually has been opened before. Where did I see that? Yeah, it hit there. See the marks right there? Somebody has opened this thing before. You sent along what is actually the correct or a quasi-semi-correct capacitor for this thing, which is CTL 1616. The issue with these is the issue that we have with a lot of these capacitors, like I did with that Citizen capacitors, that the capacitor itself is fine, but it comes with an attached connection that is unique or particular to this model, and it makes it hard to, it means that this doesn't necessarily drop in. But all that said, doing some reading online, I found some other posts about people who were able to do this, so I'm going to see if I can give it a whirl. Okay. So again, our marks are right there. So I'm going to go in the same place to try to see if I can I got it. Okay. So we've got this is a snap down cover. This is the same thing that the Arnies use, actually. This kind of click down piece. There we go. Somebody already did the thing. Not sure what that's all about, but here is this. Okay, so somebody already did this, which is where you take off the lead of the original capacitor and you drop this thing in. What in the heck? Where in the heck did this come from? I'll have to look at my video. Okay, I got that popped in. There it is. Look at that. It's alive. Home City DZ alarm test. What do you know? Got it done. This, I looked, and it goes right here, just like that. And then I have this case back with its gasket. And I will, the gasket looks like it's nice. Make sure that I've got this correct. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, let me get my well, there it is. It's a runner. I'll have to look at the instructions for how to actually set this. I have no idea how to do that, but there it is in all of its glory. Okay, thank you very much. There you go. I did the radio set thing and everything else like that. For some reason, it's actually 1 o'clock here, but I think it's 2. I don't know why, but I did set it to New York, and then I did all this work to try to set the time, and then I thought to myself, oh, well, I should turn off the radio because this thing is radio connected. And I turned on the radio, and that's what it gave me. So here we are. There's your light works. I don't know how to get the seconds are correct. I don't know why it thinks it is where I am, but it's a really cool watch. Limited edition too. What is this? Number 246 out of 500. Well, in any case, that turned out decently. I'm looking forward to getting this back to you, and then you can have your watch. My recommendation would be to get another one of these CTL 1616 cells, just to put it aside one of these days in case you ever need it, and then it's just a matter of swapping out the battery again. But it's a pretty cool watch. Thank you so much for sending it in.